My culinary voice is really a very culturally based one because I do Mexican food. That involves boldness and complexity and brightness. So I can also resonate with other cuisines that are bold, complex, and bright. You don't develop your voice like instantly. When you look at the history of some great artists like Picasso or Diego Rivera, they all emulated other people, and they did that in order to find out what resonated the most with them. I always encourage cooks to do that. Really see how deeply you can get into one cuisine cooking that and then switch to another. And so if you're going to be a great artist/artisan, what you will find is that it will be a unique voice that brings all of that together.